Solar power. There are lots of sources of solar power. These items are all photovoltaic, which means that they convert the sun's light directly into electricity. Often called solar cells, these are really solar panels, which are groups of individual cells that make up the kind of voltages that we need for our devices. This first type of solar panel is a group of solar cells that are crystalline in nature, which are the most efficient, but don't work well in low light. This next group of solar panels are what they call amorphous, because they don't have a rigid crystalline structure. They work good in most any kind of light, but don't have the same efficiency. This last large solar panel is one that I built myself from a project that I had, where the individual cells are sealed in plastic with a barrier of caulking compound in order to make sure that it remains moisture tight, but not necessarily so that it won't expand in sunlight. Note that the individual cells are tied together by bands that allow the back of one to reach the front of the next so that they're in series. Here we see an individual solar cell. This one is a crystalline matrix cell made from silicon. You can see the pattern of lines on the front and the back, which are conductors, which make sure that the potential on each side is covered for the entire cell. This is how we extract the energy from the solar cell. You can also see how thin they are. Here we have the actual solar cell to power a small vehicle. This is only a 1.5 volt motor, but this cell just doesn't collect enough sunlight in order to run it. So we have an alternative, larger solar cell that's maybe 3 times the surface area, and you can see that it easily runs the device.